Hey guys, so I wanted to share this model with you. This is something I came across the other day on Thingiverse. It's called a rope container. I'll put the link to it down in the video description. As soon as I saw it, the first thing I thought about is printing with a wood PLA. So I came across this Amlin filament. This one is going to be the wood PLA walnut. I have printed with Amlin in the past, but I have never tried exactly this one, and it came out awesome. The model size, I believe, at 350%, so it took it up to 300 millimeters to the top, or 330 millimeters. Sorry about that. The printer could go up to 400, but we decided to, cut it a little bit short. This is the Artillery 3D Sidewinder X2. And I think it did an awesome job on it. Just look at the way that design is. It looks like rope. The artist did an amazing job of modeling this. You could not ask for a cooler looking model. And the way we decided to print it was zero infill. We went with a 1.2 millimeter wall thickness all the way around on it. And I cannot find any flaws in it. It was done at a 0.2 layer height. It just looks amazing. And I wish I could get a light in there so you can see down inside, but it looks great all the way down. But guys, I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I will catch you in the next one.